Redmagic will announce two gaming-focused tablets in China. The two models will have a 10.9-inch and a 12.4-inch display, such as screen size, chipset, and battery capacity. The display of the tablet will support up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 840 Hz instant touch sampling rate. The Redmagic gaming pad is also claimed to be the first naked-eye 3D tablet with a 90 Hz AI-backed eye tracking feature. The Redmagic gaming pad will come in two colors, deuterium transparent silver wing and deuterium transparent dark night. The tablet's rear side prominently displays a camera module located in the upper left corner. It houses a 50-megapixel primary camera, an LED flash, and RGB lighting. The right edge of the tablet houses a power button, an unknown recessed button, and a pair of microphones, and a 20-megapixel selfie shooter. A metal body, a built-in cooling fan. The Redmagic tablet, the Redmagic Gaming Tablet Pro, is the first tablet to feature this overclocked version of the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It supports up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. It packs a 10,100 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support. Redmagic Gaming Tablet Pro pricing starts at 3,999 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB RAM and storage model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.